Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the touchpad on Windows 10. So if your touchpad isn't working, isn't functioning, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. And before we start, I just want to say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials. And now once you're done, we can start. So this is gonna be a quick and easy tutorial. All you want to do is just go to the start menu and type mouse. So open the mouse settings, and you should see on the left side, you should see a touchpad tab. So click on it and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on additional settings and you should see your touchpad here. So mine is listed as Dell touchpad. It's in a separate tab. Now what you want to do is just click on it, or click to change Dell touchpad settings, and make sure that it is on. So on, and click on save. If that didn't work, make sure that the touchpad is enabled. So a lot of keyboards on laptops have a function key, and the function key combined with F3, F6, etc. With a touchpad icon will enable or disable the touchpad. So for example, for me it is a function key plus F3, and as you can see, my touchpad has now been disabled. If I click it again, my touchpad has been enabled. If that didn't work, there's one more solution you can try. Open the start menu again and go to device manager. Open it, and now once you're here, you want to go to mice and other pointing devices. The touchpad should be listed under mice and other pointing devices. What you want to do is just right click on the touchpad and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for updated driver software and let it search. And as you can see, I already have the best drivers for your device. So I already have the best drivers for my touchpad, but if you don't, it should download and install the updates by itself. And that's it. So I hope that this video helped you. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, like and comment.